What is said today, not for Tanzanians but entire Africa? Death has robbed us. Magufuli has gone. It has raided a selfless and courageous leader. The ambassador of Ubuntu is no more. A dark cloud has covered Africa. A hero has fallen. A Pan-Africanist has untimely left us. A gallant son of the soul has departed. Good people don't live longer, but their legacy lives forever. Heroes don't rest in peace, but they rest in power. God gives, God takes. Rest in peace, Magufuli. You are a God-fearing man. You awakened minds, bringing Africans together, enlightening and empowering Tanzanians, motivating people with respect, valuing everyone's input, welcoming mistakes as part of learning. You were clean, smart and good, a true leader. You didn't think of yourself but everyone. Rest in power, Magufuli. May your dear soul rest in power. You banned all foreign trips. You were declared a dictator for not taking orders from African enemies because you refused to bow down to them, because you are not a puppet or a toy leader. You never took loans from them. Revived, resuscitated, resurrected, revamped the Tanzanian economy. You tirelessly fought against corruption, injustice and human rights abuse. Your policies were heroic before you were declared a hero. Rest in power, Magufuli. Those who came before you ran their race. You ran your race. We'll check from where you left and run our own race at an improved pace. Africa will be united one day. You are at least on safe hands. Tell Kwame Nkrumah, Julius Nyerere, Thomas Isidore Sankara, Steve Bantu Biko, Samora Machel, their spirit of Ubuntu African unity is still our agenda and Pan-Africanism. If I had powers, I could have asked a few more years for you. If I had powers, I could have asked you to rise up and finish your unfinished business. But alas, I will just say, rest in power, my powerful comrade. Until we meet next time, rest in power, Magufuli John. We are all devastated by your loss. This is not a Magufuli family loss. This is not a Tanzanian loss. It's an African loss. An African pain, an African enemy gain. We exactly don't know what killed you. Only God knows why, how and when. Africans shouldn't worry about God's program. Instead, they must get stronger and be united. The fight for African restoration still goes on. Everything will be all right. Rest in power, John Pombe Magufuli. Pumzika kwa amani, Credola pa, then cancer and pass. Luanu dom, Lalangoxolo. Rest in power, John Pombe Magufuli. Rest in peace, John. Rest in peace, John. Rest in power, John Pombe Magufuli. Rest in peace. May your dear soul rest in power. May your dear soul rest in power. Rest in peace, Magufuli. I am Obed Dube, the African poet.